asking her some questions there, or don't tell me your grandma is watching as you play.
Whoa, a 5. Whoa, 7-8 crazy.
There's not a single Red Bull remaining in the vending machine. It's everything is over here, baby. I'm like, everybody complaining from my colleagues. Hey, Andy, stop drinking all that Red Bulls. We need some as well. I'm like, oh, hell no. Yeah, I like energy. Hey, thanks, Pepino. How you been doing, actually? You been all right? Turn temperature, guys. Good luck, everybody. Oh, let's go. I don't like you. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. It's crazy time. Bonus game. That's your favorite. There we go. Get in there. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the biggest wheel in the universe. This wheel is bigger than my forehead. Man, it's crazy. All right, let's do this, guys. Pick your flappers. Pick your flappers. Green, blue, yellow, auto pick. If you miss a pick, the system gonna drop an auto pick to you. You know. All right, green gang. Green. I got blue. Once more. 100x max multiplier. Let's go. Woo! Spin it, baby. Yeah, what's up, handsome? We got a double for the blue flapper. So we got a 25x multiplier for each flapper, green and yellow. So let's go. We gotta make a respin for the blue gangers. All right. Let's go, guys. 200x. Let's go. 3-0. Oh, Relic, you're in trouble today as well, I guess. 3-0. You still have a chance for a comeback. And back-to-back doubles, guys. Let's go. Can I get a W's in the chat? Come on. Let's drop that. Let's go. 400x. Come on. W's in the chat. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. Woo-hoo-hoo! 400 freaking X. Oh my days. I'm on the hype level here. 400X multiplier. 6,723 minutes. Oh, let's start the weekend. Let's start the weekend with the 400X from
Log. Newcomers, welcome. Good morning. Let's go. Oh my. Whoa, a 5. Whoa, 7-8 crazy time. 4 spins ago we got a 10. You have that much excitement for 5. What you've done for the 10, I don't know. Seven times crazy. Hey, woo! Come with me and you be and the words of your imagination. Hello, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Crazy Time. Green, blue, yellow, 3 flappers. Which one is yours? Everything 7 times bigger. What up? Crazy time. Which is your choice? You have this 13 seconds, and if you don't choose at the end of the session time system, I do it for you. Good luck to you. Last seconds, and you know what? The biggest multiplier on this Crazy Time wheel, 700x. Good luck. Woo! Oh, yes. Oh, 700 each. Woo!
Now with the next spin time, next betting time, next everything. Yeah, so good luck, everybody. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Who are you calling grandma over there, Dee Dee? Is your grandma nearby there? Are you asking her some questions there, or don't tell me your grandma is watching as you play. Watching you play. That's 7X on Crazy Time here up next. Might as well, though. Might as well. Why not? So, seems like we're approaching. Hey, come on, baby. Let us have it. Let us have it. Yeah? Okay. Wait! It is 7X on Crazy Time. I mean, just in time, ladies and gentlemen. This is just in time. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, this is perfect moment when to hit that crazy time bonus game, guys. We got 7X on top. Hey! Woo! It's time to choose your flappers, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to choose your flappers here. Here we go. 7X on top. Beautiful move. So, the green, the blue, the yellow one here, it's up to you now which one to pick. Otherwise, I don't even know what to say. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best case scenario here. Maybe some doubles, maybe some triples even. But it's 700X now, the biggest one. Good luck. Pretty good for some of you. 105 for yellow team, 175 for the blue team, and doubles for the green team. Hey, green team, hold your horses, guys. Here we go. We got 1,400X on top there. Let's go. This is what I'm talking
about. Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from